Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. And today's video about the skid steel loader of New Holland. It is not starting, so I'm going to near the starter motor and let's start it and show you what is the problem to it. So you know, I have came to the starter side and I will request operator start, and you will hear the sound, which type of sound is coming. Okay, karo sir, karo. So viewers, you heard the sound. This is only coming tuck 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 sound is coming. This is not starting the machine. So this is night time. My foreman said okay, no need to work this time, so morning you will come and check it. So morning I will come and remove this alternator and check what is the issue. So viewers, you can see now has a morning time. So now I came to the machine. I'm going to remove this starter motor, and after removing it I will take it to my workbench, and there I will check what is the issue this starter motor. Okay, here are only two bolts. One is this one and one is the this side. So I will remove these two bolts, and after the starter motor will free. Okay. I'm using the 13 spanner. The single hand is a little difficult, so is here. Okay, so I will take it to my workbench, and there I will open. So you can say I have come to my workbench. Now I'm going to remove it. Here's my input voltages, and after it coming to here, and this starter motor need to running. So I'm going to this area. Maybe problem is here because power is not passing to this side. Therefore I will, this is a 8 number spanner I'm using, and I remove this one. There are 3 screws. This is the 8 one, but this is a little bit smaller. It's not complete. Then see, this is the issue. You can see this one is the problem. There is too much dust is inside. So here you can see this is a mud is inside. Too much this oil and mud is mixed here. Okay, this is a problem. So therefore I think maybe this one is not touching properly here. this not touching properly. So here is not touched properly. Here you can see this is a problem, not properly touch here and power is not passing. Okay, so I first clean it. After cleaning it, I will check it problem, what is the issue to this one. So here you can say I have completely dismantled this starter motor, and here you can see there's also mud mixed with oil is here. Okay, this is all around is oil and mud is here, and this is too much problem. And you can see this armature is also completely is dirty. Here you can see this mud with mixed engine oil. So it's mean engine oil is entered in the starter motor and my starter motor stopped to work. Okay. First I need to clean this starter motor entirely. Here you can see the carbon brush is also okay. There's not any issues with the carbon brushes. Electrical issues are not here. Okay, everything is a good one, but problem is only the mud mixed with oil is filled this starter motor. So first I clean all things here. The problem come due to this engine seal leak. I show you, this is a crank side. So here you can see this is all around the oil. Around the oil is here. You can see here is oil, all oil. And okay, so oil is here. But how it go inside the starter motor, I don't know. But here is the oil. The problem, the oil go inside the starter motor and starter motor stop to work. Okay, this is oil. You see oil is here. So here you can see I have cleaned this starter motor properly. Okay, all the components I have cleaned with the petrol. Okay, so you can see I have cleaned first all the components very carefully. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble it again. So all the components now is clean, good one. So after assembling I will test it outside. So everything is now okay, and I also request to the mechanics, they must fix the seal of that engine oil, and I hope after fixing the seal and after fix back this alternator, my machine is work accurately. So I have assembled this starter motor. I'm going to test it. I have made the connections. So I'm going to test it. So you can see now is working good. So viewers, you saw now this starter motor is a working good one because I clean it. The problem was only the oil and dust was get inside, therefore it stopped to passing the power and it was not working. So first the mechanic will fix the seal to the engine oil. After that I will fix it. So you hope you like this video. If video is useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you next video.